Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. This is Rhonda and we're going to get right on into the video, and we're starting out here in the primary bedroom. This portion of today's video is actually going to be sponsored by Tribe Signs. So I have those nightstands. I've had them a while and I am looking to change those out. I really would like to see something larger in that space, like larger nightstands, and I'm also looking to change out the style of them to something that is a little bit more modern. So over the past 3 years that we've been here, I have just been kind of decorating all around the house, but I didn't really make intentional choices when it came to the primary bedroom. I really kind of saved the best for last. So it is now time for me to get in there and to refresh and kind of update our bedroom. I'm still kind of in the beginning stages of this makeover, so we're not going to be doing a reveal in the primary bedroom today, but I definitely plan to bring you all along and let you see the different choices that I'm making as I'm putting the new space together. Now, what Tribe Signs has sent me over, friends of the twins, is actually a buffet cabinet. So here we are taking a look at it over on the website. I really love the size of it. It's 63 inches long. And I love the acrylic legs, the acrylic and gold legs. I thought that they were just really pretty. But my favorite thing about this piece is that it is actually two pieces. So when I looked at it, what I saw was two nightstands. So we got all the pieces laid out and they do come numbered, and then we set about putting it together. It took Sugar and I probably about 45 minutes working together to get them both cabinets put together. And as you see here, I'm using the screwdriver, but Sugar actually used the drill. I would just caution y'all to be careful with the drill because this is a manufactured wood and you don't want to accidentally kind of drill through the wood. But using that drill sure did speed up the process. So here we've gotten the first cabinet together. I stood back and I looked at it and I knew exactly what it needed. Y'all, it needed some handles on it. So we are now getting ready to attach handles. And I wanted to tell y'all too that I live here in Georgia and we have something that is called Black Friday deals. And what that is, some of you may be familiar with that, but for those of you that are not, it is actually a store where they have the Amazon returns, and each consecutive day the price is just on Fridays the prices are like $8. When you go on Saturday, $6, Sunday $4, and so on and so forth. But I actually went on the $4 day and I found this box of the gold handles. They are 8 inches long, so they're pretty nice size, and they are a beautiful antique gold. $4, and they came as a box of 8. So if you have an Amazon return warehouse or store, I would encourage y'all to just go in and stroll around. You just never know what you're gonna find. Here is what it's looking like here in the bedroom, and I'm really enjoying it. I love the height of them. I love the more modern and updated look. And this is only the beginning, friends of the twins. I am just getting started in here, so I will be sure to bring you all along. And now that I have the larger nightstands, I'm going to go ahead and raise the mirrors up. I don't want the mirror to be hidden behind the nightstand, and I do have the space at the top going towards the ceiling to raise them up. But this is only the beginning, so I will be back to update y'all as I make other changes in that room. And so now y'all, let's move on into the guest room. I'm gonna be honest, friends of the twins, I have not done anything in this room since my son was here for Christmas. So now it is time for me to get in here and to get it dusted and get it cleaned really well. And I feel like now is the perfect time for me to make some changes in here. I've had navy in this room for probably, I know, at least a year, maybe not quite a year and a half. And I'm tired of looking at it. So I am going to be totally changing out the colors in here today. And I'm really excited about that. The colors that I'm going to be introducing are not new. They actually came from my primary bedroom. But when I had them in there, I did not like the way that they looked. So I've probably had these colors for about 6 months. I kept them in my room for maybe a month, and I could never really get into them. It was not the look that I was going for our primary bedroom. So I'm just gonna now bring these colors into this room. I think they will actually look better with the furniture that is in here. I have a new linen spray that I'm going to be trying out for the first time today, and it's one that I actually picked up recently when I stopped in at the Dollar Tree, and so I'll have to come back and let y'all know what I really think about it. The smell is nice, it's fresh, and it's not too sweet smelling, and it's not too overpowering. So I have to come back and let y'all know, how it works out. If any of you have used it, y'all leave me a comment and let me know what you think about it. Again, I got it from the Dollar Tree, and this one is called Island Breeze. Every time that I come into this room to freshen it up, I have to hold myself back. I really have to hold myself back. And that is because I actually have the mirror that sits on top of the dresser. And the mirror has those Hollywood bulbs on it. Friends of the twins, it is so pretty. The bed also lights up. But the mirror with the Hollywood bulbs on it is just gorgeous. But I do not do that because, as you can see, currently I have the television mounted there. And this is a guest room that is not used very often. My son sleeps here when he comes, and he comes maybe twice a year. But I don't do that because I would have to take the television down in order to put the mirror up. And he loves to play his video games and to watch television, his different shows and all. So that is the reason why I have not brought it out. I would absolutely love to, but I have told you all before, and I'm going to probably go ahead and bite the bullet sometime this year. I would love to have the television mounted from the ceiling. I've actually seen the ceiling mount, and I've actually seen it done, so I know that it is a possibility. And for that, I'm very excited. I have some pretty new pillow covers, and friends of the twins, I'm trying to get in the habit of buying pillow covers instead of pillows. With pillows, you have to really have somewhere to store them all. So I found these at a local furniture store. I love the velvet and the beading detail of them. I think that they'll be really pretty here in this room. Now I do have a total of 6 of these. So, and when I came across them, I really had the primary bedroom in mind. But here with today's makeover, I do think that they will also really go well in this room. Something that you guys don't see a whole lot, but is really one of my most favorite decor finds, is this gorgeous yellow chair. Friends of the Twins, this chair came from Homery. And here I am showing you some of the different ways that I have styled it in the past. And if you'll take notice, you'll see that you can turn this chair. And that's another thing that I really like about it. But the velvet, the gorgeous, beautiful, kind of goldish, yellowish velvet is just so pretty in person. I'll leave the link for this chair down in the description box for you. The black and gold looks so much better here in the guest room. It is just like the perfect accent for the colors of this bedroom set. I actually found the majority of these pieces in Burlington. All of the black and gold that you see came from Burlington, as well as the black comforter set. Now, the only thing that was bought separately is the velvet curtain panels. Y'all, those are heavy, and they cost me kind of a pretty penny, but I love the quality of them. They actually came from Home Goods, and all of these things were found in the fall of last year. And also there in the corner, I have the gold floor mirror sitting there. I did not keep that. You'll see here in just a little bit that I went back to the frameless mirror that I had. I just wanted to see how it would look, how the gold one would look, you know, since I added in the black and gold into the room. But I did not like it. I did not like too much gold. So I did go back with the frameless floor mirror. I hope that you all have enjoyed seeing my home updates here. I'll be back really soon with another video, as I have plenty of things on my to-do list, including spring deep cleaning with carpets and furniture, and my to-do list is never ending, but I'm having a good time. As always, friends, you make the life that you live a life that you love, because life is short. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.